Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that union token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Union U is a layer 1 blockchain and zero knowledge infrastructure protocol designed to enable secure, trustless communication and assets transfer between different blockchains. Solves bridge security. It replaces risky centralized bridges with a system that cryptographically verified the full validated set of connected chains. ZK power interoperability. The protocol uses zero knowledge proofs and is built as an enhanced fully compatible version of the inter-blockchain communication IBC standard. Multi-purpose native token. The U token serves as the network gas fee, secures the chain via delegated proof of stake, and facilitates cross-chain governance. Union project institution rating is 4.2. Union token 10. Union token total supplies 10 billion and circulating supplies around 1.91 billion. U token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.